warm evening, but we still saw people, out and about walking, enjoying the sun while it was out.
Because we all know that in a month from now,
Yes.
it won't just be a warm evening. It'll be a very warm evening. This weather's great for mosquitoes, by the way. They've had their rain lately, and now they've got the heat. So, there's that. Here's your forecast for tomorrow. We'll start off with some early morning clouds, and that'll give way to a lot of sun here tomorrow. Today, we got to 96 in Austin. We think tomorrow, 97. So not a huge temperature change. Still, the breeze hangs on, and so does the humidity, a south wind 10 to 20 miles per hour. There's some storms well northwest of us now. None of those are getting here tonight. We'll likely see at least some low clouds developing, though, early tomorrow morning. Those will very quickly give way to a lot of sun and a few puffy clouds around here tomorrow afternoon, kind of like today. Then we go into Thursday morning. More low clouds in spots, then giving way to sunshine. Here's the thing about Thursday. As we get into Thursday afternoon, the potential for at least a few spotty showers and storms to pop up during the second half of the day and into Thursday evening. Generally speaking, I think 10 to 20% of us see rain here on Thursday. And then we go into Friday with morning clouds giving way to afternoon sun, and then the chance for some more of these pop-up spotty showers and storms later in the day on Friday. As far as the interesting note to share with you here, early Thursday morning, there will likely be storms to the north of us. A lot of our computer models suggesting that they fall apart and die out before they get here. But should they be able to hold together, there is a low severe weather risk early Thursday morning for San Saba, Lampasas County. The rest of us will be lucky to get any rain at all during that period. There's going to be more chances for rain, though, not just Friday, but again Saturday, and again on Sunday, and again on Monday, and then into next Tuesday. No day has a particularly high chance of rain. Rain chances will generally be between about 10 to 20% Thursday through next Tuesday. What this means is that you can't bank on rain arriving where you are, but you almost can't forget about it too, because with our luck, you would get rain when you're least expecting it. Mid-80s is where the temperatures are now. We'll be falling into the 70s to start your morning tomorrow. Then plenty of sun puts us near 90 by midday, and then coming in the middle to even upper 90s in the afternoon. Not a lot of temperature changes over the next 7 days. From 97 dropping all the way to 95. Of course, not much of a temperature drop here by next Tuesday, very close to normal of 94. But the humidity doesn't change either, staying in that very humid category with dew points 70 or above most of the time. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast. So those low end, almost pesky rain chances that can't get you excited but can't mean that you could rule out rain. That's what's coming here Thursday through early next week. Summer begins on Friday, feeling like it should, mid-90s with a low rain chance.